a player, you don't know that many major chords.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cleaning video. I have some cleaning motivation for you today, so if you need some motivation to get up and clean your house, definitely keep watching this video because I get lots of stuff done and you guys are gonna love it. I also did some deep cleaning, so I cleaned 2 things that you might be forgetting to clean.
You in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I throw your suitcase.
I am starting off in my bedroom today. I love starting off in my bedroom ever since we did our bedroom makeover. If you're new to my channel and don't know what I'm talking about, definitely go check out the video on my channel so you can see what my bedroom looked like before and then compare it to what it looks like now. It's now like my favorite room in the house, so I love to start in here and just get ready to clean by cleaning up this room.
Therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Using my Thieves Cleaner on my windows and it works really great, but definitely make sure you dry it after. So I'm just using a paper towel after my microfiber cloth. I probably should have just used a paper towel to start with, but definitely make sure it gets nice and dry and then it's totally streak free.
No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
Okay, so the first thing that you might be forgetting to clean is your window tracks. So maybe you're not forgetting to do this one, but you're just actively avoiding it like I was. So I'm just using my Thieves Cleaner again. I sprayed it generously, and then I'm going to use a straw brush and paper towel. How gross that is. Like, oh my god, there was like cat hair stuck down in the tracks of the window. This is disgusting, you guys. Like, do this right now. Okay, that took so long, you guys. I had to put my camera down so that I could finish it. But see, I just used that straw brush and I was using my Thieves Cleaner and they're definitely not perfect. Like, I can't get in there. It's like literally impossible, but they look way, way, way better.
There's a meaning why it's not supposed to show. Don't you know where you belong? I will ride with you and show you all along. There's a reason you are strong. You're the one to tell the people when they're wrong.
Okay, now we're gonna do your dishwasher filter. So my dishwasher does not have one of those super easy to pop out filters. I basically have to disassemble the whole like bottom part of my dishwasher, but I'm doing it. So I took everything out, rinsed it out. There was so much gunk in here. It was literally so gross. And then I was just soaking them in a mixture of dish soap and vinegar and really, really, really hot water after I rinsed everything out. If you're noticing that your dishes just aren't coming out clean, you're getting those like speckles all over your dishes, your dishwasher filters probably need to be cleaned. So definitely try that.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.
After you do this, make sure you wash your hands really well because there's so much food bacteria trapped in there, and food bacteria can be really, really dangerous. I have like a food safety course from working in restaurants my whole life. Food bacteria is not good. And then definitely clean out your sink after you do this as well. And then to finish cleaning my dishwasher, I'm going to take about 1.5 cups of vinegar in a dishwasher safe container, and I'm going to put that on the top shelf of my dishwasher and run it through a high heat cycle.
All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know.
Okay, now we're moving on to just doing some normal cleaning, so just gonna clean up my kitchen and get those dishes done.
I know we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish.
I also just wanted to mention that I do clean my house with all non-toxic products, and my favorite spray to use is my Thieves Cleaner. So it's just that Thieves concentrate from Young Living mixed with water. It's so easy to make, and I love using it on all of our surfaces.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring?
I was trying to get my Dutch oven cleaned here. I do this every once in a while where I try to get it like perfectly clean, and I've never successfully gotten my Dutch oven perfectly clean. I was using my Thieves scrub. I've used like conventional, regular, toxic filled products, and nothing gets my Dutch oven very clean. So if you guys know how to clean a Dutch oven and get it back to brand new, comment to let me know. I seriously think it's impossible.
I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that's
Okay, and another thing that you might be forgetting to clean is behind the knobs on your stove. So they just pop right off and you can clean right underneath them. They're probably full of grease. Go pop one off and see.
I give it all to you for too There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be more to the reason.
I'm filling my diffuser here with some purification and lemon. It's a really great after cleaning scent because it just purifies the air and makes everything smell nice and fresh and clean.
For a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. Has got to come my Has got to come my way.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave.
Okay, so another thing that you might be forgetting to clean is your cupboard doors. So even if you don't have white cabinets like I do, you still have to clean your cupboard doors. So I'm just using a damp microfiber cloth sprayed. I'm going to spray the cupboards with my Thieves Cleaner, wipe it down with the microfiber, and then make sure you dry them.
And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
so I needed a little afternoon pick-me-up to get me through my laundry. So my favorite way to get some extra energy in the afternoon is to make my Ningxia Red little mocktail that I make. So if you want to learn more about Ningxia, there's a highlight on my Instagram called Ningxia, and my Instagram is always linked in the description box. But basically it's just an antioxidant drink. So I'm putting an ounce of Ningxia in a glass with some ice. I'm going to do 2 drops of lime vitality essential oil and some strawberry bubbly, and this is so good, you guys. It tastes amazing and it gives you some like natural energy from the antioxidants, and I love drinking this in the afternoon. Okay, so we're finishing off this video with that load of laundry, and then that's all I have for you guys today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I post new videos every single week on homemaking and cooking, and I would love to have you join me in this little community that I've created. Thank you guys so much. I'm so close to 200 subscribers, and I just can't believe that many people watch my videos. So if you're one of those people, thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.
Come close, look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon. Opened up a door to something more. Spun me round and you shook me. Got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do.